We're going to continue with unpacking and talk about partial unpacking with star notation. So this is a little bizarre, pretty interesting little feature in Python. So let's just say we have a tuple over here of 6. There's 6 items in the tuple. So you don't actually have to unpack every single value in the tuple. So before I showed you how to unpack this, you would need 6 variables on the left and assign it to the tuple on the right. But you can actually unpack one and then pack the others into a list like this. So this is kind of strange. So what this notation does is, so I have my iterable on the right, and then I'm just unpacking a single one. That's the first item. That will be 1. B, and you have this little asterisk in front. This is just code that says, hey, Python, put all of the others in a list and assign it to B. So now here is A and here is B. So they just chose to put everything in a list. I know it started as a tuple, but that's just how Python made the rules for this. Now you can also do it the other way around. You can say, I want the first items up to the last, to the second to the last, to be packed into A as a list, and then the last one to be unpacked by itself. So now A is the numbers 1 through 5, and B is 6. So you can actually have it such that you can have unpack the first and the last, and you can actually do more than just the first and the last. So you can have any number that you have unpacked. You can only have one star notation over here. So what this does is it unpacks the first one into A, the last 2 into C and D, and that means all the rest get packed into B. So that is 2, 3, and 4 will be packed into B as a list. C will be 5 and D will be 6. So this is how you do this partial unpacking with star notation. You can have at most 1 star. You can't have multiple stars, or else Python won't know what to do with it. But you can have multiple single individual variables like this. So this is not something super common, but just a feature that I wanted to show that does exist in Python, just so that you are aware of it. So that is partial unpacking with the star notation.